really excited to celebrate the release of our 2022 olive oil. We harvested the olives last week. The oil's really bright green, vibrant, grassy, and today we're going to make a FIOR de latte ice cream. It's a really simple, delicious, creamy ice cream. We'll finish that with a drizzle of the new oil and some flaky salt. To make our ice cream, we're going to combine our sugar, a little bit of cornstarch, and some salt in a pot and get it all whisked together so there's no lumps. Now we're going to add about half of our milk and then we'll bring it up to boil on the stove for 1 minute. For this ice cream, you really want to use the highest quality milk and cream because that's where all the flavor's coming from. It's getting a little bit thicker, which is what we want. This will help give a good consistency. Now we'll get our cooked milk and cornstarch and sugar into a bowl and combine it with the rest of our milk and cream. So now we'll just let this chill in the fridge and then we can get it in the ice cream machine once it's completely cool. Okay, our ice cream is fully frozen. It looks beautiful and creamy. So now we can dish it up. Okay, now we can drizzle with our olive oil. Look at that color. And then a little flaky salt. Now we get to have a taste. It smells amazing. I love new oil. It's so delicious. It's really sweet and creamy, but then has like the earthy olive oil and then the flaky salt. It brings all the flavors together. It's pretty amazing.